Good day guys. In this video we're excited to bring you another unboxing, featuring an affordable laptop with a powerful specifications. We have here from ASUS VIVOBOOK laptop model X1605Z. This is not sponsored, we buy this for purpose. The box itself is impressively clean and made from recycled materials, perfectly reflecting their slogan that greets you as soon as you open the box. Before diving into the laptop, let's explore what else comes inside the box. As usual, there's a manual that, let's be honest, rarely gets read. And here, we've got a 65 watts power brick charger. Now that's some serious speed. The charger design mirrors the dotted text on the box, a subtle yet thoughtful touch. No extra cable inside like HDMI, only the laptop, manual and the power brick charger. Anyway, let's dive straight into exploring this laptop. In the right side, the laptop has two USB 3.2 Gen 1, one USB-C 3.2 Gen 1, one HDMI and audio combo jack. On the other side, we've got just one USB 2.0 port and an air ventilation system for keeping things cool. This laptop packs a powerful Core i7 processor, but we need to find out which generation it is. The cool thing, it can lay completely flat at 180 degrees. Plus, it has some smart features like ASUS AI noise cancellation to clear up audio during calls. Worried about privacy? No problem. There's a handy webcam cover you can use. It has also fingerprint for more security. For speedy connections at home, it comes equipped with Wi-Fi 6. Keep in mind, though, your internet speed will still play a role when you're browsing or streaming online. So, while it's a beast locally, your internet speed can still influence your online experience. Time to power up the laptop. The keyboard's got backlit keys, super handy in low light situations. Let's take a look at the storage. Unfortunately, this version only has 475 total gigabytes. After installing pre-installed apps, I'm left with 434 gigabytes. It's decent for office or school work and saving documents. If you've got the budget, upgrading is an option. Let's check out the processor details. This laptop runs on a Core i7 12th generation chip and comes with 8 GB DDR4 memory. The good news is you can upgrade it to 16 GB. The graphics are handled by the integrated Intel Iris X, no dedicated graphics card here. This laptop is equipped with an SSD, so rest assured, its speed surpasses that of traditional HDD storage. Straight out of the box, the laptop comes with pre-installed Microsoft Office 365. However, be cautious. If there's any pre-existing antivirus software, it's advisable to uninstall it, as Windows Defender provides ample protection on its own. Let's inspect the camera. As mentioned earlier, it features physical privacy protection that you can manually slide to conceal the camera. While the camera resolution is 720p, it proves quite decent for online video meetings and video recording. Let's examine the laptop's physical attributes. This laptop exudes elegance with its slim design and expansive 16 inches display, while it utilizes IPS technology, offering excellent viewing angles and precision in color for picture and video editing. It's worth noting that some models boast an OLED display, delivering superb visual quality and a higher refresh rate. As per the specifications, the laptop is purported to last up to 42 hours, although the actual usage duration depends on the user's habits and activities. Let's proceed with the sound test, with the optimistic hope that YouTube won't issue any copyright strikes. In my opinion, the sound quality is average, not reaching the excellence of stereo speakers. However, it proves to be satisfactory for online meetings and movie watching. Alright guys, that concludes our unboxing video and initial review of this laptop. Overall, it's a solid device featuring the latest generation of Intel Core processors. Thank you all for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a fantastic day.